this song. This song's heavy.
This is a chill flow.
Yeah.
Hey, bump it. Bump that shit.
Yeah, we listened to this for like 20 minutes. Like, Saturday.
I'm a smoking G. You try to drug test me. My dad's a cop. He talks me when I say it's not me. It's not me. You can't catch me. I'm 7 and I keep it low key. I could be a homie if you hit me up. You wanna blaze? You know I'll match it always. If not, it's okay. I'll kick it any day, boo. I always kick it up randomly and it's cool. Brendan all of a sudden calls me. He's like, hey, you wanna kick it? I'm like, we're at what time G? And he's like, okay, let's go. We pick up Cho. We're on the road. You can't stop us once again. I'm dressed fresh and I cleanse myself with the Earl Green high. Cause you know I reach the sky. I don't stop till I drop God gifts. That's why I am high. I'm a gift of the God and he give me green back. And I hit from the bong, here we go. 420 every day. Oh, you to the studio. I don't care, I don't know how to even find it. I'm not electronic, I stick to the old school beats and I rock it. I'ma keep flowing, I don't know when to stop until I get so tired that I'm gonna have to drop. Okay, you can rewind this part cause you know you're gonna say he's too with it hard. You even at my level right now, I'm in the black mist. Can't find me no way in how I'll disappear just like I ghosted when I hit this here.
That was sick, man.
Amazing. Always amazing.
Killed it. Alright, let's go back to school.
I'm not even getting a yearbook.
Why not?
Go back to school anyway. Don't you guys go back to school anyway?